In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Apollo.io's Chrome extension. If you're looking to streamline your prospecting and sales process, this tool is a game changer, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to use it to its full potential. Plus, stay tuned for an exclusive offer on a free trial that you won't find anywhere else. Apollo.io's Chrome extension allows you to access a world of sales intelligence right from your browser. Whether you're prospecting, lead generation, or conducting research, Apollo.io can save you hours of manual work. To start using the extension, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Apollo.io. Click Add to Chrome and let it install. Once it's installed, you'll see the Apollo icon in your browser's toolbar. That's your gateway to using all its features. When you click on the Apollo icon, you'll be prompted to sign in or create a free account if you haven't already. With your account set up, you'll be able to sync your data across all devices, making it even easier to manage your sales activities. One of the standout features is the ability to pull up detailed company and contact information without even leaving the web page you're on. For instance, if you're browsing a potential client's website, you can click the Apollo icon, and it will automatically populate contact details, social profiles, company information, and more. This integration saves time and ensures that you have everything at your fingertips. You can also search for leads directly through Apollo's Chrome extension. Let's say you're browsing LinkedIn or a similar platform, and you want to see if that person is a good prospect. Simply click on the Apollo icon, and it will provide you with contact information and relevant data. Apollo.io's database is incredibly robust, making it a reliable source for finding leads. Another cool feature of the Chrome extension is its ability to track email opens and engagement. When you send an email through Apollo, you'll get notifications when the recipient opens it or interacts with it. This allows you to follow up at the perfect moment. And if you're in the business of cold emailing, Apollo.io makes it easy to build email sequences. This allows you to automate outreach and keep your sales pipeline full without needing to spend hours crafting emails manually. The best part? You can personalize these emails to make sure they connect with each prospect on a deeper level. All in all, Apollo.io's Chrome extension is designed to help you increase efficiency, save time, and close more deals. If you're new to sales or prospecting, this tool can drastically improve your workflow and provide valuable insights into your leads. Before you go, I want to remind you that you can try Apollo.io completely free from the first link in the description below. Plus, if you sign up through that link, you'll get exclusive bonuses and an extended trial, something you won't find anywhere else. So, if you're ready to take your sales process to the next level, make sure to download Apollo.io's Chrome extension and start exploring its powerful features.